Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you how to add broadcast channels in Instagram Post 2024. Recently, Instagram launched the new features broadcast channels. Here in this video, a lot of users to say how to add broadcast channels Instagram Post. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now the first of all, latest versions to update your Instagram applications and open the Instagram from the iPhone and Android home screen. Before the starting this video, you don't know how to lock Instagram on iPhone, this video link in description box, please make sure check out. Open the Instagram applications, now tap on the plus at the bottom. Here select the which one post you want to add the broadcast channels on Instagram. Select the post after tap on the next. Now again enter your captions of the Instagram post. Captions added on the Instagram post. After scroll down and find out the tag channel option. Now please make sure tap on the tag channels. Here your broadcast channel is available. If not showing now, please make sure create the broadcast channel, then you can show here. Here select the broadcast channels after tap on the share post option. This post is uploaded on your Instagram account. Here in this uploaded Instagram post, you can see also join your broadcast channel options is available on that post. This amazing trick too, you can easily add the broadcast channel to Instagram post on your iPhone and Android phone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.